In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can enable your iPhone not to charge when it's stolen or misplaced. Enabling your iPhone to not charge when stolen is vital for deterring theft, protecting personal data, aiding in tracking, and increasing recovery chances. This feature deters thieves, secures sensitive information, and makes the device less usable if stolen, facilitating its retrieval. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. On the settings page, select this option of Face ID and passcode. You will then have to put in your current passcode. On this page, scroll down to the very end. On this accessories option, make sure to enable this option. When turned on, your iPhone won't allow any accessories to connect if it's been locked for a period of an hour. This means that if someone steals your iPhone, they won't be able to connect it to charge after being locked for a period of 1 hour. That's how easy it is to disable charging of your iPhone when stolen. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.